In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front bumper bracket on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Remove the two clips on the splash shield on the bottom. There should be one more right here. Ours is missing. Do this on the other side. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt on the corner of the bumper. There will be one on either side. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the 10mm bolts on the top corner of the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the 6 plastic clips for the grill. Using a little pick tool and a trim clip tool. To remove the bumper, grab right at the corner and pull straight out. We're going to disconnect these clips, and we're going to go do the same thing on the other side. Once we have those two corners popped off, we're going to go to the top. We're going to pick up. There's a little tab right here that you're going to have to remove. Pick it up off and pull the bumper straight forward. If you have fog lights, we're going to need to disconnect those. There was an aftermarket kit installed over here. We're going to have to figure out how to remove this bulb. It's kind of glued in. The normal connector for the fog light is going to look like this. Pinch on either side and remove the connector. And then you can remove your bumper. Remove the screws for the bumper bracket. And remove the bracket. Install the bumper bracket to the front bumper. Make sure it clicks in the front here. There's an alignment tab on the outside over here. Install the screws. Repeat the same process on the other side. With our bracket installed, the bumper is ready to go back onto the car. Install the fog light connector if you have fog lights. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the bumper onto the vehicle. These top tabs will hold the bumper on. Go around to the side. Pull the bumper into place. Snap these brackets in. You should hear these connect. Ours are broken, so you won't hear them click. They should click into place and stay nice and still. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the 10mm bolts in the top of the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the clips for the grill. And do the same for the 3 on the other side of the grill. Install the 10mm bolt in the corner of the bumper. Make sure the inner fender liner is sitting inside of the bumper. Since our car was in an accident, this isn't going to line up very well, but this should tuck right behind this bolt. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the clips for the front splash shield. Do the same thing on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.